Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So let's get started. And the first thing we can do, or we need to do, is wake up the screen on our watch. And first way to check these steps, to track the steps, is on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that information. For example, this one does. If yours isn't, you can always press and hold on the current watch face, scroll through the list of watch faces in the watch face menu and look for something that displays the step counter, and then select it and apply it. For example, this one as well shows the steps. Another way to check the steps is to swipe left on the home screen. Oh my bad. Left to see the activity shortcut card widget, and here we have steps. It's possible you see calories here instead of steps because you chose the calories as the main indicator, but if you see calories here instead of steps, you can always tap on this activity widget to open the activity app, tap on start, and here we can select the if you open it for the first time, you can select the main indicator. I'm gonna select steps for now, set the goal and tap on the check mark. And here you can check the steps, and if your main indicator is steps and you want to check the calories, you can scroll down, and here we have the calories. And of course, like I said before, if you have calories as a main indicator and you don't see them right here at the top, but you see them, you see calories at the top instead of like steps, my bad, and steps are here, and you want to change the steps to the main indicator, you go to settings right here, go to the goal settings and check the steps, and then set up the goal, and then you would have the steps as the main indicator. And the last way to check the steps or track the steps is to use the phone application on the watch that is paired with your phone. And to do that, you open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with your watch, of course, and on the home page you will see steps somewhere here if you scroll down. And here we have it, and you can tap on it to see the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and that's about all. So you can track the whole year. If you want to, you have the goal streaks and stuff like that, so you have a lot of more information in the app than on the watch. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.